Hi guys, Jimmy with Jimmy's Auto and Firearms, and today I've got for you one that came out of the Colt custom shop, and it is because of its finish. It is finished in royal blue. It carries a part number O1911C38-RB for royal blue. So I hope this shows up on camera, because I mean the finish on this firearm. This is in 38 Super. You know, it's my weak spot, shall we say. But I hope this shows up well on camera, because it is just gorgeous. They went to some extra efforts on the finish of these guns. And you'll notice it says Colt Custom on the slide on the left side. But look at the royal blue finish on this firearm. Now, the right side of the slide is what I'll call standard markings, Colt government model. But again, just take a look at this gorgeous, gorgeous royal blue finish. It's just incredible. I didn't think I would step up to the plate on this gun, but I saw one in person and went, gosh, I've just got to have one. I mean, other than the finished color, it is pretty basic. Colt 38 Super, comes with one magazine, and I don't think I've seen any recent Colt firearm with a finish this spectacular. It is carried out, slide and frame. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So, guys, while I got you, hey, hit that subscribe button and share this with your buddies, where the channel continues to grow. I'm enjoying things. I hope you like what I'm bringing to you. I do some shooting videos and I do some unboxing videos. So here's your one last look at this 38 Super royal blue finish out of the Colt Custom Shop. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all down the road.